how to draw in Notion. So first, open up a new page in Google, and then or any browser that you want to use, and then just search for whiteboard.com. Okay, this one. Then after that, what you need to do here is just copy the URL link on the top, and then just go to your Notion page. And then what you need to do here is just paste the link, and then just click on embed. Okay, now after that, wait for this, and then as you can see, now you can draw here in Notion. So you can add a line, you can add a text if you want, and of course you can do eraser as well. So you can see, you can expand this as well, and escape if you want to not expand it. So you can see. So after that, you're done. So that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one.